Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you how to plan a Conversations Matter event. So the first step is to go to onelifetools.com, and on the right side of the page you will find this login button, so click that. From here you will enter your helping professional credentials, and you are brought to the helping professional dashboard. So on the left side, go to event planning and enter your event name. We will do March 20th test. From here, select the date. So my made up event is on March 20th. And since that is 4 days away, I will make the event link activated 4 days. If you go too far, if you select a previous date, a date that has already passed, then the event won't save. So make sure you select a day that is now or in the future, which would be one of these days here. Then you scroll down and this is where you choose your event type and your card groups for the events. So we will stick with Conversations Matter. And for this, we will also stick with the personal career core cards, which is personal qualities, strengths, and desires. Scroll down and you choose your possibility card set, which is, we will just do the core possibilities. Then you can scroll all the way down, disregard these emails, and click Save Event. So this jumps me to event listing. And I can see the event I just created, and there we go.